Now exercise 1C. Number 1. State with reason which of the following are surds and which are not. Root over 180, and this is equal to 3 square, that is equal to 9, multiplied by 2 square, that is equal to 4, multiplied by 5, and that will become 3 multiplied by 2 root over 5. So this is equal to 6 root 5. This is a surd because 180 is a positive rational number and the order of the surd is 2, which is a positive integer. So this is a surd. From here also you can see this is an irrational number. Fourth root of 27 is equal to fourth root of 3 cube. So it will remain so. Fourth root of 27. 27 is a positive rational number, and 4, the order of this surd is 4. So this is a surd. Fifth root of 128. This is equal to fifth root of 128. You can find this value 128. 128 is 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 4 8s are 32, 4 2s are 8. So there are 2, 4, 6, 7, 7 2s. So this is equal to 2 to the power 7, and this is equal to fifth root of 2 to the power 5 multiplied by 2 square, and this is equal to 2 fifth root of 4. So this is, first thing, this is irrational, and here you can see 128 is a positive rational number and 5 is a positive integer. So this is a surd. So number 4, cube root of 64 is equal to cube root of 4 cube. So this is equal to 4 cube whole to the power 1 upon 3, and this is equal to 4. So this is a rational number, so this cannot be a surd. From this it looks like a surd, but its value cannot be a rational number. Now this one, number 5, cube root of 25 is 5 square multiplied by cube root of 40 is 5 multiplied by 8. So 8 is equal to 2 cube, and this is equal to cube root of 5 square multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 cube, and this is equal to cube root of 5 cube multiplied by 2 cube, and this is equal to 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. So this is a rational number. So if this value is rational, this cannot be a surd. Now this one, cube root of minus 125 is equal to minus 5 whole cube. So this is equal to minus 5 whole cube whole to the power 1 upon 3. So this is equal to minus 5, which is a rational number. So this cannot be a surd. Root over pi. Root over pi. Since pi is an irrational number, so it cannot be a surd because this cannot be an irrational number. It should be a rational number. It should be a positive rational. This one, you see, root 2 is an irrational number. Again, 3 plus root 2 is also an irrational number. So this quantity must be a positive rational, so it cannot be a surd. Question number 2. Write the lowest rationalizing factor of this 5 root 2. If we multiply this by root 2, then we will get 5 into root over 2 square, and this is equal to 5 multiplied by 2, and this is equal to 10. So this is a rational number. So the lowest rationalizing factor is root over 2. Root over 24, if we take this, root over 24 equal to 4 multiplied by 6 root over, and that is equal to root over 2 square multiplied by 6, and this is equal to 2 will come out, and this is root over 6. Now if we multiply this 2 root over 6 by root over 6, then it will be a rational number, and this will be equal to 2 multiplied by root over 6 square is equal to 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12. So this is a rational number. So the lowest rationalizing factor is root over 6. Now root 5 minus 3. Now if we multiply this by root 5 plus 3, then we can apply the formula of a square minus b square, where a square minus b square is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So this is a minus b into a plus b. So it will be root over 5 whole square minus 3 square. So this is equal to 5 minus 9, and this is equal to minus 4, and this is a rational number. So lowest rationalizing factor is root 5 plus 3. Now 7 minus root 7. So in this case also we can multiply this by 7 plus root 7. So a plus b into a minus b, it will be 7 square minus root over 7 square equal to 49 minus 7 is equal to 42, which is a rational number. So the lowest rationalizing factor is 7 plus root 7. Now root 18 minus root 50. So we have to simplify it first. So root 18 is equal to root over 9 into 2 minus root over 5 square, that is 25 into 2. So this is equal to 3 root 2 minus 5 root 2, and this is equal to minus 2 root 2. Now this is the number. If we multiply this by a number root 2, then what we will get? Minus 2 into root over 2 square is equal to minus 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to minus 4. So this is a rational number. So the lowest rationalizing factor for this is root over 2. Root 5 minus root 2, if we multiply this by root 5 plus root 2, then it will be a rational number. You can see this will become 5 minus 2. So this is equal to 3, a rational number. Then root 13 minus 3, in this case also we can multiply this by root over 13 plus 3, and it will be equal to 13 minus 3 square, that is equal to 13 minus 9 equal to 4. So root 13 plus 3 is the lowest rationalizing factor. Now 15 minus 3 root 2. So from this we have to simplify it. So if we take 3 common, then it will be 5 minus root 2. So if we multiply this by 5 plus root 2, this is equal to 3. Here it is a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So 5 square minus root 2 square. So this is equal to 3 common. 5 square is 25, and this is 2. So this is equal to 3 multiplied by 23. So this is also a rational number. So the lowest rationalizing factor is this one, 5 plus root 2. Okay, number 9 is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Here we have to multiply this by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3, and this is equal to 6, and this is a rational number. So the lowest rationalizing factor is 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3.